Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up WordPress theme colors with your brand guidelines, full guide step by step clearly. The first step is to ensure you have your brand color palette ready. This typically includes your primary color, secondary colors, and any accent colors. Next, log into your WordPress dashboard. Navigate to the Appearance section on the left sidebar. Click on the Themes option. You should now see your active theme. Click on the Customize button to access the Theme Customizer. In the Customizer, look for the Colors or Color Settings section. Select this option to open the color settings for your theme. You will now see various color fields that can be customized. Start by changing the primary color to match your brand's primary color. Use the color picker or enter the hex code directly. After setting the primary color, move on to the secondary color field. Repeat the process with your brand's secondary color. Next, locate any additional options for accent colors. These may be labeled as accent, link, or button colors. Select colors that align with your brand guidelines for these fields. Once you have updated all the relevant colors, preview your changes in real time. This allows you to see how the new colors look across your site. If everything looks good, click the Publish button to save your changes. Now, navigate back to the Customizer to adjust other elements if necessary. Consider changing typography or background colors to further align with your brand. After finalizing all your adjustments, publish these changes as well. It's important to review your site across different devices after making these changes. Check how the colors render on mobile and tablet views. Make any necessary adjustments to ensure a cohesive look. If you encounter any issues, consult your theme's documentation for specific color settings. You can also reach out to your web developer for additional help. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.